Welcome to another G4 Guitar Student Management application video. What I'm going to do is show you how to make a gift certificate. What you're going to do is, if you're starting here on the dash, the first thing you need is a contact. So we need to know who we're going to make it for. If you don't have a contact already that you're somebody who you're going to make the gift certificate for, you need to create a new contact. So click on new contact, go and create that first. I'm not going to show you how to do that here, but you can check one of the other videos. So once you've done that, let's just say you already have a contact in there and you want to find that contact, you can click on contact list and then you can search for whoever it is. We're going to search for Mary, and there we go. So we've got two come up here. We've got a Joe Test and a Mary, and the reason Joe is there is because Mary is his mother. If we go into his card, we can see that Mary is the mother, and so that's why we have the two. Now let's make it for Joe. So we want to make a certificate for Joe. So once we've got Joe pulled up as a contact, then we go to the print section. And then from there, you're going to choose one of these gift certificate options. So the first gift certificate is just a standard gift certificate. The second one is a flexible one, which I'll show you in 1 second. So let's start with the gift certificate here, the standard one. What you get here is you're going to get Joe Test's name in the top there. Now the from section, which is over to the right here, is optional. And it really depends on whether or not you know what name you're going to put in there. So you need to actually type a name in for who it's going to be from. So let's just say it's from his mother, Mary. All right, so we'll put Mary in there. So Mary will appear next to the from. Now the date is the date of expiry. So you can see that at the bottom of the certificate here, it says this certificate must be used before a certain date. So what you can do is put in whatever date you like there. Let's say we put it in for September, and then so you can see that it changes, must be used before that date. Now just keep in mind that if you're in the US and you have the date which is the opposite to countries like Australia, UK, etc., then it'll automatically allow for wherever your location is. So don't worry in that regard. Now you can see here we've got a kind of blank white space. What you can do is you can drag pictures in there. Now, if you go back to, we'll just go one step back here to the print section, you can see there's a little icon there called Box Pics. So if you click in there, you can actually go into our member site. You need to be a member, of course, and you can get access to different pics there that you can put into the gift certificate. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off here. I've got the boy here with the red guitar, the red boy, sorry, red t-shirt with the guitar. And so I've just dragged that in there, and so that's there ready to go. Now, all I need to do once I've got that there is hit PDF here, and it will print onto my desktop. So I'll get a copy of that certificate printed out, and I'll just show you what it looks like. And I'll just squeeze it down a little bit smaller so you can see it. And so that's what you get there. So you can print that out, and then you can email it off to your student. Now there is an email icon there as well, so if you set up for the email, then you can just click on that and it'll set it up as an email and attach it to the email. Now if you want to know about this bottom section here, how to get your details in here, then that's in the settings. So you need to have the settings here. So let me put in here, for instance, Rocktown. Just put that in there. Let's see if that works. And then what you'll do is you just go back here on the back arrow. You can see there it's put in the city, G4 Guitar Rocktown, and then it puts in the web address based again on the settings there. So again, click on that gear and the settings. So it's taking this website here, the website short there, and it's adding it to that gift certificate. Now, what else do you need to know? Let's just go back to here, and you can see we've got this gift certificate flexible. So let's have a look what the difference is here. Basically the same setup. The main difference here is that you can do things like you can put a message in here. So let's say Mary wants to write a special message for whoever it's for. Hoping you have a wonderful birthday. Let's just say that's what the message she wants to add there. You can also, being flexible, you can put to whoever. So it can be to, Peter. Right? So anyone you like can go in there. It doesn't have to be related to a contact. And then you can also add a certificate number if you wish. So let's say you want to put you know, let's say it's RT46178904, whatever. Okay, whatever number you want to put in there, you can add a number in there, and so that gives it a kind of a verification if you want to use that setup. You don't really need to, but if you want to have that, that's all good and well. Again, print it out or email it off and you're all good to go. You can change the date, of course, as well up there. So that's pretty well it. Let me just run you through quickly those steps again. So you need a contact, you need to create a contact, or you need to find a contact. You need to then choose that contact there, and then you need to go to print, and then if you want a standard gift certificate, you come here. If you then want to add a picture, you need to grab one of the pictures. Let's use a different one this time and drag it in there. Then if you want to put a date to be used by, just add that in there as well. And then put from here, bang. All right, so everything's there that you need. Print it out and you're good to go. If you've got any questions, as always, feel free to post at the bottom of this video. Thank you.